there, welcome back. Excited to have you. It is Friday here in Dallas. It is thundering outside, so we are holing up upstairs at the bar, chatting about some Roederer estate. This is Brut sparkling wine out of Anderson Valley, California, and Anderson Valley is just north of Napa Valley by about an hour, not too far. Fun fact about Roederer estate. So you will know Louis Roederer as the famous champagne house that makes Cristal. So Cristal is made in Champagne. This is their American outpost and essentially the little sister to Cristal. So let's take a look. As we've discussed with other sparkling wines are a little bit different when we look at them and smell them. But notice that there's a pale straw and there's not a whole lot of alcohol here. Champagne and sparkling wine are made in a method where it's not meant to be super alcoholic, it's meant to be bright and light. So we are in that category. The alcohol seems very low when we look at it. So let's stick our noses in the glass. So I want you to notice that it is bright citrus and ripe tree fruits. I am getting a ton of like Bosque pear and crisp green apple and creamy lemon. Underneath the fruit, if you're looking for earth, give it a smell. And there's a real nutty brioche quality. I've got chopped almonds, I've got toasted hazelnuts, I have baked bread. There's a warm, yeasty flavor here. One more sniff, let's see if we can smell any wood aromas. And there actually is wood here. Roederer uses oak in aging its reserve wine, so I'm getting some baking spices. There's a little bit of vanilla. There's cinnamon, there's cocoa powder. So let's take a smell, pardon me, let's take a sip and go ahead and confirm all those things. Crisp green apple. I think we have fresh cut Bosque pear. And I think we can call creamy lemon here too. Really bright fruit, ripe fruit, but not overripe. It's really fresh. Underneath of that, let's talk about those non-fruit or earth characteristics. One more sip. We've got the toasted brioche and bread. There's chopped almonds, there's toasted hazelnuts, and we're for sure getting all of those baking spices. I've got vanilla, I've got cinnamon, I've got nutmeg, I've got clove, all of those pumpkin pie spices, they're evident here. So let's chat some structure. How much are you gushing right now? I'm in a medium plus gush camp. I've got enough gush that I'm feeling it for sure. So we'll say medium plus acid. And how warm are you? And I'm kind of looking for the alcohol. It's not overwhelming at all. So I think I'm gonna call this medium alcohol, meaning this is gonna be a medium bodied wine pairing with medium bodied foods. All right, so let's chat about a 3, 2, 1. This is fresh, this is green apple, and this is nutty, all those hazelnuts. It's gonna pair phenomenally with fried food because I love fried food, so egg rolls. But I also think this will go with dessert. So let's do this with the souffle cake, chocolate souffle cake. And last but not least, this is made by Louis Roederer. It's their outpost in America. Louis Roederer makes Cristal in France, which is uber famous. This is kind of like Cristal's little sister. So go have a sip, sell a bottle. I love your faces.